Let's start with the simplest yet most impactful habit, making your bed every morning. I know, it might seem pointless when you're just going to mess it up again at night. But trust me, this small act sets the tone for your entire day. When I first started doing this, I was amazed at how much more put together my bedroom looked. It's like an instant room makeover that takes less than a minute. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about coming home after a long day to a neatly made bed. 2. Clean as you go. Instead of letting dishes pile up while you cook or leaving craft supplies after a project, take care of messes as they happen. I remember the days when I'd leave everything until the end, and let me tell you, facing a mountain of dishes after enjoying a meal is no fun. Now, I rinse and load dishes into the dishwasher as I cook, wipe down counters immediately after spills, and put away craft supplies as soon as I'm done with them. It might seem like more work in the moment, but it actually saves time and energy in the long run. 3. Put dishes away immediately. Whether you're hand washing or using a dishwasher, don't let clean dishes linger. As soon as they're dry or the cycle is done, put them away. I used to be guilty of leaving clean dishes in the rack or dishwasher for days. The result is a cluttered countertop and a never-ending cycle of are these clean or dirty? Now, I make it a point to empty the dishwasher first thing in the morning or put away hand-washed dishes as soon as they're dry. It takes just a few minutes, but it keeps the kitchen looking neat and ready for the next meal. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I keep my home clean" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 4. Wipe down surfaces regularly. This doesn't mean you need to break out the heavy-duty cleaners every day. A quick swipe with a damp cloth or all-purpose cleaner on kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, and frequently touched surfaces can work wonders. I found that keeping cleaning supplies easily accessible makes this habit much easier to maintain. I keep a spray bottle of all-purpose cleaner and some microfiber cloths under each sink. This way, I can quickly wipe down surfaces after use, preventing grime buildup and keeping everything looking fresh. 5. Declutter regularly. People with clean homes aren't necessarily minimalists, but they do make a habit of regularly assessing their belongings and getting rid of things they no longer need or use. I used to be a bit of a pack rat, keeping things just in case. But I've learned that decluttering isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about being intentional with what you keep. Now, I make it a habit to do a quick declutter session once a week. I'll go through a drawer, a shelf, or a closet and ask myself, have I used this in the past year? Does it bring me joy? If the answer is no to both questions, then I don't need that. 6. Have a designated place for everything. When every item in your home has a specific spot, it's much easier to keep things tidy. Plus, you'll save time because you'll always know where to find things. I used to waste so much time looking for my keys, my phone charger, or that one important document. Now I have a hook by the door for my keys, a drawer for electronics and their chargers, and a filing system for important papers. It takes a bit of effort to set up initially, but once you get into the habit of putting things back in their designated spots, it becomes second nature. 7. Tidy up before bed. One habit that's made a huge difference in my life is taking a few minutes each night to tidy up before bed. It doesn't have to be a deep clean, just a quick straightening up of the living areas. I used to wake up to yesterday's mess, which would make me feel overwhelmed before the day even started. Now I spend about 10 minutes each night putting away any items left out, fluffing the couch cushions, and generally resetting the space. It's amazing how much better I feel waking up to a tidy home. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video. So we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 8. Take off shoes at the door. This not only reduces the amount of dirt and debris entered into your home, but also helps preserve your flooring. I was resistant to this idea at first, thinking it was inconvenient. But after trying it for a week, I was amazed at how much cleaner my floors stayed. Now I keep a shoe rack by the door and some comfy slippers for indoor use. It's become such a habit that I feel strange wearing shoes in the house now. 9. Empty trash bins frequently. Another habit that contributes to a cleaner home is emptying trash bins frequently. Don't wait until they're overflowing. Aim to empty them every day or every other day, depending on how quickly they fill up. I used to let my trash cans get pretty full before emptying them, which often led to unpleasant odors and occasional spills. Now I make it a point to check and empty trash bins as part of my evening tidy-up routine. It takes just a minute or two, but makes a big difference in keeping the home fresh and clean. 10. Follow a cleaning schedule. This doesn't mean spending hours cleaning every day. Instead, it's about breaking tasks into manageable daily actions. I used to try to do all my cleaning on the weekend, which was overwhelming and often left me too exhausted to enjoy my free time. Now I have a simple schedule: bathrooms on Mondays, dusting on Tuesdays, vacuuming on Wednesdays, and so on. By spreading tasks throughout the week, nothing ever gets too dirty, and I never feel overwhelmed by housework. 11. Organize mail immediately. Instead of letting it pile up on the kitchen counter or coffee table, sort through it as soon as it comes in. I used to have a mail pile that would grow and grow until I couldn't ignore it anymore. Now I deal with mail right away. I recycle junk mail immediately, file important documents in their designated spots, and add any bills or to-dos to my calendar. It takes just a few minutes each day but prevents those dreaded paper piles from forming. 12. Do one load of laundry daily. Laundry is one of those chores that can quickly become overwhelming if left to pile up. That's why many people with clean homes make it a habit to do one load of laundry every day. I used to let my laundry pile up until I had no clean clothes left, then spend an entire day doing load after load. Now I throw in a load first thing in the morning and fold and put it away in the evening. It's become such a routine that I hardly think about it anymore, and I always have clean clothes ready to wear. 13. Keep fridge organized. Last but not least, let's talk about the fridge. Keeping the refrigerator organized is a habit that not only contributes to a cleaner kitchen, but also helps reduce food waste and makes meal prep easier. I used to dread opening my fridge, knowing I'd find mysterious leftovers and expired condiments lurking in the back. Now, I make it a habit to check the fridge before grocery shopping, tossing any expired items and reorganizing what's left. I also use clear containers to store leftovers, making it easy to see what needs to be eaten soon. There you have it, 13 things people with clean homes do every day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up. And if you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like it. Your support really helps us create more great content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.